In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear ABS sensor on a Honda CR-V. It is located behind the rear wheel. After you raised and supported your vehicle safely, you need to take off your 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm lug nuts. Take your wheel off, put it off to the side. We're underneath the vehicle, right next to your gas tank. You're going to see your ABS speed sensor. This is your connector here. You want to push down on this tab, pull straight back, disconnect it. You need to remove this clip here. Just take a pair of pliers and pull straight down. Like that. You have a connector here. Just want to push these 2 tabs here and there, pull straight out, put it off to the side. Here's where your sensor mounts into your knuckle. You have a 10mm bolt. This is all right behind the rotor. You want to remove that 10mm bolt. Now this sensor pulls out of the knuckle out this way. Sometimes they do get stuck, so if you take a screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver, place it in between the sensor and the knuckle, just give it a tap lightly. Once you remove your sensor, you want to clean this surface here. You can use a tool like this or a razor blade. Take your new sensor, slide it in the hole, take your 10mm bolt, tighten your bolt, and you want to torque that down at 7 foot-pounds. Take your wiring, clip it back into your top control arm here. Take your other clip, install it into your cradle here, plug it back into your harness. When we removed our old ABS sensor, the clip was missing. The clip does clip into here. It's right next to your gas tank. Take your wheel, put it over your lug nut studs. Put your lug nuts on by hand. Give those a snug. After you lower your vehicle and your tire's on the ground, you want to torque these wheel lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.